Oh, hey, finally. Hey, that's my Sprite. What are you worried about? Besides, you ordered that. I don't care, man. This is all mine. Not so fast. I'm ready for that. Hey, hold on. Ow. Even that. Sparkle. And whoa! I feel it. Awesome. Thank you. Dad, dig in. Great, the drinks are here? Yeah, you didn't hear that? No, I didn't. Oh boy, let me dig in. Hey, hold on. My drink. Not your drink, it's our drink. Wait, that's actually kind of disgusting. Look, I don't care. I drink once. Alas, we all ordered the Sprite, so we all get to have it. Not your words. Plus, not in my case. Well, you gotta order now, okay? So see you later. Okay.